Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can upgrade your Proton Mail from free to premium one. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to this Proton Mail option. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now it's open. Now simply we have to click on this M plus, as you can see now this icon type. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you'll be able to see like options 15 GB storage, 10 email addresses, custom email, domain support, 7 premium features. So you have to choose which one you want. If you will buy the monthly, you have to charge, you have to pay this one. If you will buy the yearly, you can save 21%. So for example, I want to get mail plus this one for the year. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, it will wait for a few seconds and I have to pay this amount. If I will click on the yes, and I will be charged this amount. So in this way you can buy the Proton Mail paid version. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.